The Market Wizard series, penned by Jack Schwager, stands as a seminal collection of interviews with some of the most successful traders across various financial markets. Rather than providing a rigid how-to guide, the books offer a window into the minds of individuals who have consistently demonstrated exceptional returns. What emerges from these conversations is not a unified, one-size-fits-all formula for success, but a tapestry of strategies, philosophies, and psychological approaches. The enduring appeal of the series lies in its ability to demystify the world of high-stakes trading, showcasing the human element behind the numbers and validating the multitude of paths that can lead to financial achievement. The summer of insights gleaned from the collective wisdom of these trading titans reveals a landscape far more complex and nuanced than the simplistic narratives often presented in financial media. It's a journey into the art and science of consistently beating the market, a journey that begins with a fundamental understanding of risk and culminates in the mastery of self. One of the most consistent themes to emerge from the interviews is the paramount importance of risk management. Across all the books, the emphasis on protecting capital is almost universal. Traders from vastly different backgrounds and with diverse strategies, from trend followers to value investors, all stress that preservation of capital is the first and arguably most crucial step towards sustained success. This goes beyond mere diversification. It's about quantifying risk, defining acceptable levels of loss, and meticulously implementing stop-loss orders. Paul Tudor Jones, perhaps the most quoted in this context, famously stated that the most important thing is to play great defense, not great offense. This defensive posture translates into strategies such as position sizing, where a trader carefully determines the amount of capital allocated to each trade based on the risk involved. It also entails recognizing when a trade has gone wrong and exiting the position promptly, a difficult task when emotions are high. The Market Wizard's consistent adherence to disciplined risk management highlights the crucial distinction between those who survive and thrive in the market and those who ultimately succumb to its inherent volatility. This focus on risk is not about limiting profits. It's about ensuring the longevity and sustainability of a trading career, allowing for a long-term perspective and capitalizing on opportunities when they arise. Furthermore, an understanding of market correlation and portfolio diversification is an important pillar of reducing risk. Diversifying by sector, geography, and asset class allows market wizards to reduce the possibility of substantial losses due to a single market trend. Following closely behind risk management, the diversity of trading strategies revealed in the series is perhaps its most compelling aspect. The books showcase a range of approaches, from the systematic discipline of trend following to the meticulous fundamental analysis of value investing. There's no single right way to trade. Instead, the interviews demonstrate that success is often found by identifying a strategy that aligns with an individual's personality, risk tolerance, and understanding of the market. Trend followers, such as Ed Seykota and Bill Lipschutz, focus on identifying and riding established trends, using technical indicators and price action to confirm their convictions. They understand that markets often move in persistent directions and seek to capitalize on this momentum. Value investors, like Bruce Kovner and Michael Steinhardt, on the other hand, meticulously analyze companies, searching for assets that are undervalued by the market. Their success hinges on their ability to identify companies that have been mispriced, anticipating that the market will eventually recognize their true worth. Macro traders such as George Zweig and Stanley Druckenmiller take a broader view, analyzing global economic trends, interest rates, and currency movements to inform their trading decisions. They understand that economic forces can significantly impact asset prices and seek to anticipate these movements. These very strategies illustrate that success isn't solely tied to the specific approach, but rather to the trader's understanding of the chosen method and the unwavering discipline to execute it. It is the application of consistent methodology and strategy which often sets market wizards apart. Beyond the mechanics of strategy, the Market Wizard series consistently emphasizes the critical role of psychology in trading. The emotional toll of the markets is significant, and the ability to manage fear, greed, and ego is often cited as a key differentiator between successful and unsuccessful traders. The books delve into the psychological challenges of trading, including the pressure of taking losses, the temptation to deviate from a plan, and the difficulty of maintaining objectivity. Many of the traders discuss the importance of self-awareness, of recognizing their own emotional tendencies and biases. Some traders employ techniques to manage their emotions, such as meditation, mindfulness, and journaling, to help maintain clarity of thought and decision-making. They strive to cultivate a disciplined approach, adhering to their trading plans regardless of the emotional turmoil the market might present. The ability to remain composed, to resist the urge to chase losses, or become overconfident during winning streaks is a common trait among the market wizards. The emotional discipline often manifests in a steadfast commitment to the trading plan, to sticking to the predetermined rules and not letting external influences dictate the actions. Ultimately, psychological mastery isn't about eliminating emotions entirely. It's about understanding and managing them, allowing them to serve the trading process rather than hindering it. Furthermore, the Market Wizard series illuminates the importance of discipline and execution. This concept transcends the specific trading strategy. It is a fundamental quality that distinguishes successful traders from the rest. The Market Wizards understand the significance of having a clearly defined trading plan, and they adhere to it rigorously. They establish specific rules for entering and exiting trades, as well as for managing their risk exposure. They set stop-loss orders, define profit targets, and predetermine the position size. This ensures that emotions do not cloud their judgment and allows them to make rational decisions even in the face of market volatility. The discipline to adhere to a plan is not always easy, especially when faced with losing trades or market fluctuations. Some of the greatest temptations exist at the point of deviation from the predetermined strategy. The market wizards understand that this is how emotions can interfere with judgment. They stick to their trading plan regardless of the outcome of individual trades. This commitment allows them to maintain a long-term perspective, avoiding the urge to chase losses or become overconfident during winning streaks. Discipline and execution also require constant monitoring and adaptation. Traders regularly review their trading performance, analyze their mistakes, and adjust their strategies accordingly. This continuous process of refinement enables them to learn from their experiences and improve their trading skills. In conclusion, the Market Wizard series is a treasure trove of insights for anyone seeking to understand the world of high-stakes trading. It reveals that the path to success is not a single, predictable trajectory, but a multifaceted journey shaped by a unique combination of strategies, psychological fortitude, and a commitment to continuous learning. The consistent emphasis on risk management, the validation of diverse trading styles, the critical importance of psychological control, and the necessity of self-awareness and adaptability highlight the fundamental principles that underpin lasting success in the markets. The summer of wisdom gleaned from the interviews is not about providing a magic bullet. It's about illustrating that the alchemy of consistently beating the market is a product of discipline, resilience, and the unending quest for self-improvement and a deeper understanding of the market itself. By studying the experiences of these successful individuals, traders of all levels can gain valuable insights to enhance their own approach to trading, navigate market volatility, and ultimately strive for greater financial achievements. The enduring impact of the Market Wizard series is in its validation of the human spirit's capacity for resilience, its potential for disciplined dedication, and its potential for achieving great feats in the world. The book's continuing relevance assures its place as a cornerstone in the education and ongoing development of traders for generations to come.